DJI Mavic Air. This portable drone was first released last year, but it is known for offering steady 4K video at 60 frames per second. The battery on this drone can last up to 21 minutes. This Mavic Air is small, fast, and it can track moving subjects, boomerang around them on a pre-coordinate path, and take spherical video. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This drone is more expensive and chunkier than the Mavic Air. It can deliver the sharpest video thanks to its gimbal-stabilized Hasselblad camera, which packed with 1-inch CMOS sensor. This drone can produce hyperlapse videos. DJI Mavic Mini. This drone delivers great video quality in a premium, while on a compact body. Sadly, this lightweight drone does not come with 4K or 2.6K 60 frames per second video recording, but it still has its enjoyable atmosphere for its users. DJI Phantom 4. This drone has more sturdy construction compared to DJI Phantom 3 Professional. It also comes with an updated object avoidance technology and an excellent dedicated remote control. This drone also supports 4K video recording feature, and the battery can last for up to 15 to 20 minutes depending on how you use the drone. Parrot Bebop 2. This affordable drone comes with a fisheye lens and stabilization software that will help you produce amazing videos. You can also book the optional flight controller and a VPF headset that suit your preference.